Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF to A1 size PDF using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select a Resize option and select a Standard option and Standard dialog box. Click this down arrow and here you will find this A1 size option. I selected point is also you can change page orientation. You can make it landscape and keep existing and portrait so on, and you can convert all of this page a specific page current page. Now select OK and one size PDF now created. Select file option and check document properties, description option, this is page size, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.